Hi. Thanks for the opportunity to provide a bit of an update on what's been going on with InFocus. We're very excited. It's been a very busy couple of weeks since the AGM at the start of November. So a couple of things that I can sort of go through them. First and foremost, we actually completed our name change to InFocus Group Holdings. So we're now trading on the ASX under the symbol IFG. So that's shareholders should know that if they're still looking for the old symbol. Moving on from that, of course, in September, we announced the acquisition of Prodigy 9. That, as an update, that transaction is proceeding. We look to complete that transaction in the coming weeks. And following that, of course, is the added capability that they bring to us. So, we had Trimpont earlier in the year, which gave us software development capability to further build out what we already had in the data space. And that was that started to become a compelling offering. But when you add Prodigy 9 to the mix with their consultative capability, it really turbocharged our capability, particularly in the areas of fintech, which would include digital assets, payment gateways, and then also logistics and insurance. So it does open up some opportunities in those sectors for us, and watch this space. That could be an area of focus for us in the new year. Those capabilities, of course, have resulted then finally in sort of the biggest news probably this month is the company's largest contract to date. We're very excited about it. A little bit proud to say that we've managed to pull that off. I'm going to call it almost a bit of a David Goliath story, especially when you take into account where we were a year ago with fairly limited capability only in the data space. So GBO Assets is a gaming organization, and we are building a platform for them. Of course, it's been in the news. I can share a bit of information. Phase one, we've already banked a first deposit from them, $75,000 US. Phase one is a $750,000 US completion, and we expect to bank that over the next 3 to 4 months on completion of that phase one. Of course, the whole contract, $2.5 million US. It is the largest contract the company's ever done, and it's in a market that we have previously not explored. So, in keeping with the strategic review last year, and new products, new services, and new markets, this definitely ticks those boxes, and it's really a vindication for our growth plan of building capability so that we can attract this kind of business. And of course, that most shareholders will be aware of the price action that generated in the markets. And on the back of that, we were able to complete a raise to sort of help accelerate these projects moving forward into the new year. So I think what shareholders can look forward to in the coming weeks is a little bit more guidance from us in terms of the direction we're looking to take the company in 2025. So we've got a couple of ideas there that we'll share shortly. Thank you.